study path. This is SBK. Sharing my screen. Last video. Now, try to revise one more time. And today's session is only practical based, like how to download JDK and database, Eclipse ID, all these things I will show you. The thing is not done. So load and register the driver. This is the steps. This is total 6 numbers of steps are there to create JDBC application. And the first number is load driver class, establish connection, and like open a connection, create a statement object to execute our query, to execute the query and print the result. And some examples I had also shown you. Okay, yesterday's session and last session. Or like if you want to watch this session, go YouTube and search here. What is now? I click, yeah, I take study path and you will get the videos. Yes, yeah. Go into, if you want to watch this video, session 8 number video is there. If you want to go playlist also is there. Advanced Java 1:30 p.m. batch by SBK. Okay, so now this is all about. Okay, what is the SQL Plus? Okay, I will how to download. So now go in. I will show you how to download JDK first of all. How to download JDK. So I said to you, I want to create one file. Okay, something else. This is session number 9. Session number 9. Required software download. Okay. Download software which are required for required. Okay, that's it. This is totally session on the practical based, and download and install also I will. It is time is possible, I will show you. So now first software I want to download JDK. First software is our JDK. JDK means Java development kit. So which version I want to download? Which version? I said to you Java 11. Java 11. This batch only based on Java 11, and also I will in this batch Java 8 new features based on development. I will show you using Java 8, 9, 10, 11 up to 11 features I will use. Okay, so not need to worry about it. So go here and search here, simple, download JDK 11. That's it. Hit enter. And this is the site. Okay, open. I will share this site also in the video description. Also, I will share this site. Okay, this site is the main site. Yeah, this site is the main site. Also, I will show you how to create the account on this. Okay, you will get this site. Okay, when you hit the first step. First, okay, first step is that, and second, you will get this much of, I want to install it. I don't want to download zip file. I want to install it. So click here. So I want to take the screenshot about this. Capture here. Okay, this one. Okay, you will get this. Then second, click here, and you will get this type of notification. Then okay, chip. I received and accept the Oracle Technology Network. That kind of dialogues work. You will get it. Tested here. After that, you will get this type of dialog box. One by one, I will show you all these points. First, you hit enter here. This is the hitting point. Hit enter here. Then you will get this type of dialog box. Okay. Then check this button. Check this button. Then hit download button. Click here. When you click this, right click new. I want to open a new tab. Otherwise, you click here. Click here, you will get one page. This is the login page. Okay, you will get one login page. My net little bit slow. This is okay, you will get it. Take time. You should have an in the very good network connection. You will get this type of dialog box. Okay. So if you have already account, then log in. Okay. If you don't have account, just suppose I don't have account, I will show you how to create an account. Okay. For the new email IDs, using new email ID. So you will get this type of dialog box. So what should I do? I want to put the screenshot. Okay. Capture. Okay. And I want to paste it here. Third step. If you click this, then you will get this page. Now you will get this page. If you have account, then log in here by using login. Then it's downloading it install automatically. If you don't have account, this I don't have account over there. I have an account, but I want to show you how to create an account. Okay. So this is the so don't have account, then Oracle created. Click here. If you don't have account, so click here. Okay. Suppose I don't have account, so go here and like create account. When you click on create account, and you will get this type of form loading. Yeah, you will get this type of form. Okay. Also I will put it this form on the end brush. If you want, then it's okay, no issue. This is not required to put it. So enter an email ID. So enter an email ID like Java by, I have an account Java by sbk@gmail.com. Okay. And here you choose a password we want. Okay. So my password, I don't want to tell you. Okay. It should be strong password, one character and all these things it should have. Okay. One character, one special word and one capital letter. These many credentials you should follow. So here password, again enter password. Okay. Now it's check password. Okay, match. India is good. First name SBK. Okay, last name. Okay, okay, that's it. Title, Mr. phone, work, provide any number here like that. Not compulsory to provide right number here. Okay. Company name, provide anything here, like I want to provide iTrick. That's it. Address, anything, Delhi. That's it. And city also Delhi. Delhi. Okay. State Delhi. I want to provide Delhi, but right now I'm not in Delhi. Like my zip code is 1104. Suppose that. Okay. Now create an account. All this statement are correct, then it's creating an account. So now your check your email ID once. I want to check my email ID once. Okay. Okay. No issue. So come here. In the sign up button is not there. So I want to check once again my mail ID. Okay. Yeah, I want to check my mail. Okay, this is my mail. I want to open SBK mail. जो past day है. Yeah, I will get this type of message on mail. Okay. So verify the email ID. Click here verify. When it's verified, then it will automatically start downloading. Okay. Not required to continue. Update your Oracle account. Anything you like. Okay. Oracle page is continue. What happened this year? Okay. Now come here and okay. Set up our. So go here. Again, I want to sign up. What is the our Java by SBK @gmail.com. Now sign in. Sign in successfully. Then downloading is start or not. It means your account is created and downloading is started. But I have already JDK 11, so I'm not required to. Just for the showing purpose, that's why I'm showing to you. So not required to. I don't want to this. Pause and cancel it. Okay. So now, so our this is what is downloading completed. The next one is what is the next one is database. JDK is the our completed download. And now by using this account, only this account, we can download any software. Okay, by using this account. So now, so go here. What is the database? Oracle database. Oracle database download. Okay. Or like I want to 10G. 10G. I want 10G. 464-bit. I want. Let me check. If there are any options or otherwise we will go to Express Edition. Whichever you want, you can download it. Okay, not easy. Which database, which type of version you want, like 11G, 12C, 9C, right now is 9C, but after the 12C, I think it's speed version, no? I think so. That is not the download, so I want to go. Okay, no issue. Go only the Oracle official website. This is the 9C download, so don't try to download this version, okay? Don't download this. I will show. No issue. Express Edition. I want to download Express Edition, no issue. So download, click here, new. I think so, yeah. Oracle. This is the 12C. I'll open it while. It's taking some time. It's I take care. And, I think so. Oracle database communities too. You can download some other using third-party website, but I don't want to use third-party. Yeah. And then free. Excel solution is free. Yeah. No, sir, 11G. Yeah, yeah. Oracle download. Download Oracle 11G XE XE for window. I have 64-bit for Windows 64 bit. Okay. And hit enter. Click. I think so. You will get this link here. Not required this link. This is the team sheet. Okay. Siri Oracle database everywhere. Likely. No, I don't want to download this software. Why it's not founding app? Plus C is showing on every time. But I want the Oracle 11G. It's taking some time headache, don't worry. Want to check one more time, then I will. I had already downloaded that. I have already downloaded this software, not required to download again. See, why it's finding plus here bit. I want to go in the product. Okay. So go into the product section. This is developer. Uh, Developer inside the database category is there or not? Not database. Search event time. There are any options like database, try for free migration. I am showing to why because I am using Oracle ORCL version. Okay, ORCL services. That's why Oracle lets you download it. I think it's good here. Let me try. And also showing this is high. Release this XE version 18.0 18C. This is the 18C, not I have done the practical ways. And you can check it. Institute 12C is there, yeah. Not 11G. Let me check it again. Okay, now I want to show this is the spec. Oh, 9C. Okay. And the 21C is there. But if I want 11G Express, then it's 64-bit. Click here. Okay. You will get it this. You will get this. Then here you can download it. This is the site. This site I also share with I want to I want to save this site. Okay. and I will show in the comment box. Like Google description. Okay, I will say. So here is also required. Second point is step 2, software 2. What is that? Database. Download. That's it. Database download. Link. Step 1. One is this. This is the link 1. Then you will this type of thing here. Then click here. Then it will ask again same thing. Download. When you click download, then it will start downloading. Why? Because I had already logged in with this. Okay, but I have already this software, so not required. Okay, please close it. Not required. Okay, this is the download, sir. So our database is download complete, and all these things I have completed. Okay. Now I want to install. First of all, how to install? I want to install JDK. So simple. First of all, I want to try in my system any JDK is there or not. First check. Open CMD. So now CD Java C, yeah, or Java P, whatever you want, you can create it. Yeah, is there? It means to Java is existed in my system. Okay, so I want to Java C. Which version I have? Java hyphen Java C compiler version. I want to check in my system. In my system, which version I have? Okay. It's searching. It's searching. And I will uninstall. Then I will uninstall the system. Don't worry. Okay, Java 11 is there, so I don't want to this version, so I want to uninstall and again install the system. Okay, so here open control panel. Open control panel. Open control panel. Yeah, we'll get it. So here, uninstall the program. See, where is your JDK? I want check. I'll show you all this point because of I think you are the beginner of learning. That's why I'm showing. But if you have learned core Java, so not required this step, I think so. Installing the JDK and other thing. But if you want, then I will uninstall and then again install. But it's not recommended to install. One thing is required to how to set up path. Okay. Installation is same. Next. Do next and installation is completed. But I want to first remove the path. Okay. So here, do one thing here. How to set class path. How to set class path for JDK. That's it. I will show you the example step by step. Okay. First, I want to remove the. I'm going to remove. Yeah, here. And then my system properties. Oh, sorry, production is there. Okay. My system some. Yes. Advanced. Go into the advanced option and environment variable. So here I think yeah, I'm installed now. So I want to delete this. Set the already path. So here I think so. Yeah, here is permanent path is also there. So delete there. Delete it. Okay. And okay. Then I want to try. If you using this command prompt, then it will say Java is there, but I don't know why because this is the saying previous command. Execute the previous observations. And open one more time CMD. Java C is there or not? It's not there. Okay, why it's there? Yeah? I delete it. Yeah, system open advanced environment variable. It's deleted. Yeah, fine. There is again existed or not, let me check. Hmm. Everything is good here. Why it's again executed? I don't know. It's really horrible error there. Check it. Almost like maybe Java P is there. Okay. Java C is there. Java C is there, but some Java P is not there. Okay. Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Because this is the compiler version. Okay. Java P is not there. Okay. So Java P hyphen if is there, then I want to restart. It's not there. Okay. So I want to install the system. So step one, go into this, how to find the path. So go into the C drive, program files, and where is the Java? Java is there. So go in JDK11 bin folder, copy the path here, we'll see, and click here. Some advanced system setting. Go into the environment variable and new, and variable name is path. Value is this. Simple. Okay. And I don't want to set path in the other system variable. If you want, then you can. If you don't want, then you can. But in the save of point, save purpose, no control V. Okay. Maybe okay. Here. Yeah. It's all set. So I want to close all the command prompts, not required here. Yeah. Java C is there or not? Let me check. Java P is there or not there? Yeah, all these commands are there. Previous Java P is not executed. It means Java is not in the system variable path. Okay. So how to set path? We'll write down steps. So first, what is the path? So first step here. Step one is what is the step one is right click, right click on computer icon, icon, icon. Okay. So where I will show you also, don't worry. Yeah. Right click, save properties. Okay. Oh, no, no. Right click properties on system. We will get this type of and select here. Okay. You will get this. You will get this. Okay. On simple click here. Here. Click here. After clicking here, you will get what is that? What is that? What is that? After clicking here, you will get this dialog box. You will get this dialog box. You will get this dialog box. You should try to get inside the advanced system setting. Okay, so we will get this here. Second, when you click this, then you will get this type of thing. Okay, you go into the advanced setting. Go into the advanced setting. This. Okay, go into the advanced setting, and next, click on this. Click on that. Click on this button. Click on this button. Okay, and then you will get this thing. When you click this button and click on this button, you will get this type of dialog box also. You will get this type of dialog box also. Okay, we get this type of dialog box. Okay. When you click this, you will get this type of dialog box. Get this. And here I had told you also where you set the path and click new and you will get one dialog box and set the path. Here also you will click here new button. Click new. If you want delete, then click delete. If you want to set also in the system variable, click here. This is the user variable. Okay, the user variable. That's it. This is the total step to set the path. So now after setting the path, you can check. You can check by using command prompt. You can check by using command prompt. By using command prompt, you can check CMD. Type CMD in the simple press and press or the press at that window button in the keyboard window plus R. Then you will get one dialog box. This type of dialog box I want to highlight it. Sorry, window R. This type of dialogs you will get. Okay. You will get this type of dialog box. You get this dialog box. When you click this, you will get this type of dialog and press simple here. Enter CMD. When you enter CMD, then CMD prompt will open. Okay. Then inside the CMD prompt, like that. Suppose this is the CMD. Okay. So here, there is the CMD. Like user is there. Click here Java P. If this command is executed, if this command is then you should have you got it in your system. Have a in your system have a Java software. Okay, this is all about this. This is the downloading process. This is the downloading process, and this is the database downloading process. You go in this URL, you can download it XCPD release HTML. Okay, kind of in database. This is the variable set path. Okay, and this is the checking. So now in this time I want to install database. Okay, now how to, so this is all about set. Now in this my system, now in this my system I have Java 11 version. Okay, now we will work with the Java 11 version. Now next topic is how to download. Now next step is our install database software. Install database software in system. That's it. Okay. So now in this my batches and software, I have database. If you click on this button, if you click on where is the database download, you will get this and you will get this type of dialog box. And then when you click this, then you will downloading is start. Which type of downloading? This type of dialogs box will open. This one is this one is this one is this one. This one zip file is downloading is started. Then you will get extracted here. And here also you can extract, but I don't want to. I already extract this, so I don't want to extract again. So here database simple. Now is the very simple steps. Click the step setup button. Then down installation is the start. Click next. I will show you. Observe this. I don't want to write here all these points here. Okay. Checking Montana must use configure display at least 2256 color higher than the 2.0. Okay, this is checking purpose. But it will take time to install. Okay, so be patient. I will show you. Don't go. Yeah. If you're watching the video in a YouTube, this video in YouTube, then simply skip this. Little bit skip it, then you will get this type. Then you can watch further. Checking is, I think, so completed. Na? So it's giving a one dialogue, very good dialogue. Wait. Why it's not giving? It's taking too much time. Yeah. Oracle 11G in my system. I want to install Oracle 11G. Okay. Loading setup driver. Loading setup driver. Wait. After that, you will get after setup. You click on setup. Yeah. Are you sure you want to continue? It will ask. Are you sure you want to continue? I want to take a screenshot for you guys. And here, listing here. Okay. Now I want to write this. First, click setup. Okay. Click setup button. Then you will get click setup button. Then you will get this type of thing after checking the system requirement. After checking the system requirement, this environment does not meet minimum requirement. Forget it. Okay. So leave it this much. Are you want? Yes, I want. Go here. Which in the desktop. Yeah. Yes. Building flow. Installing. Yeah. Here is the is not my Oracle support password is which I have received security update by the not required. Okay, so not required. This also not required. Okay, you not provided any email ID, so not required. Yeah, so not if I want to receive. Okay, yes, I don't want to create and configuration database. Okay, install database software only. Upgrade create and configuration database software. Install only database software. Click here. Single instance database installation, read only single instance. Okay, English, that's it. I don't know. Enterprise edition, yes. Okay. This is the path where your database is stored. If you want, then you browse and change it, not required. Oracle basis, and this is the Oracle location. You must, before installing this software in your system, JDK is the required. Okay. What is the Oracle home location, and you have specified the content, the space correct. What is that? Okay. One minute. It's containing a space. Okay. So now go next and the hint near the Oracle home location, the specified. Okay. I want to change the location. No issue. So browse. Where systems like C drive. Okay. In system. Okay. No, yeah. C drive. C drive. Not a temper folder. C drive and program files. I want to go. Users program files. Selected here. The Oracle home location, you have the specified content, the space correct. Oh, no. Back. Yeah, I will get it there. Yeah, and here it there. Not space is not correct. Next. Yes. Are you sure you want to? Space is not allowed here. Space is not allowed. Okay. So now in my system program files, the software location, go save it. Okay. Yes. And then simple, you want to disk space requirement, this is the requirement process finished. Then it's try to installing. It's taking time. Okay. For that purpose, I want to pause the video. Okay, it's going on, no issue. It's going on, no issue. So now I want to show you how to install the Eclipse ID, how to download Eclipse ID, which Eclipse ID is required for us. So I want to show you. Up to that, it's installing, no issue. It's going on. So here in the okay, in the here Eclipse ID, download Eclipse, Eclipse for Java. Okay. So it gives suggestion to you. I want to Java double E Eclipse ID, not another. So here you can, yeah, download ATM system. You click here. 21 and 60 is there. So click on this download, or otherwise Java GRE. Okay, click here. Thank you for the downloading. Downloading, please. It's asking the some price money, so not required. Download today. Price is not required. It's asking for donation purpose, not price. Okay. Click here. Eclipse JRE is downloading. Is started now. Okay.exe. Cancel. I don't want to this. Okay, I want this here. I don't want to this type of page. Yeah, yeah. Now I will get it. Now I will get now. I want Java double E. This Eclipse ID I want. Let's see. So now here. And, download Eclipse ID. Eclipse ID. Here is the our like. Here is our link. This link. Also, I wish link. I will provide this link on the video description on a YouTube. You will get it. From there, you will get. May it's a video too long, but it's okay, no issue. This is the installation process. All these setups today we will complete it. Okay. Next session we will go directly examples. Directly we will go practicals. Directly we will do the practicals. Okay. So that's why I'm showing all this thing on a particular one session. Not required to every time I will install and this, blah blah. Okay. Only that time I will show all these things. So go and watch this video and properly download, install all this system. Then do practical on your system also. After that, I will create one Git link. That link I will share with you in a video description. After that, you will how to create Git link. I will show you. Okay. Yes, I will show you how to create Git account. Okay, in next session, when I will start practical. Okay, when I will start practicals, then I will show you how to create Git account. Then I will put it the those examples which I created, which I will created. Those example I will put on the GitHub repository. Then you will get it from it easily. Eclipse ID here. you will get it. I want like 64-bit. 32-bit is that I don't want a 32-bit. So here you can click package Satra is answer new package is available here. I don't want to this here. Which version I want? Yes, this is version. Click here. Otherwise, click here. Take one more. Wait. See another mirrors. So all no, not record. If you want Mac, Windows, Archive, all these things, it's available. 2021 is available. You can download it, click here and click here. Click here. Okay, then it's starting to download. Here you can 64. Okay, this is the process to download. This is the process to download Eclipse ID. Yeah, it's starting now. So when you download Eclipse ID, then you will get one zip file or installer, whatever. But I have one zip. I have downloaded one zip file called Eclipse EE 2020-06. Okay, 32 and 64. Okay, no issue. So when you extract this zip file, then you will get this zip. Then simply you can click run. I will show you. Then when you are using Eclipse ID, so not required to set the class path and other things. It's automatically recognized. Java only you should install Java in your system. That's it. Eclipse will recognize automatically. So not required to. So wait for some time, yeah. Wait for some more time. 88% it's completed. Okay. Next session, I will show you how to the query processing. First, I will show you some example on how to create one example. I will show you Eclipse ID. What's this do? Open. Yes. Click here. Open it. Eclipse ID. Once database is installation complete, the next session and next videos, I will show you, I will teach you query processing, like query tokenization and query optimization and query execution, how query execute inside the database. And next session is very, very important. So don't dare to skip the sessions. Please watch properly and full sessions. I will give it more depth. Now we will go more depth in the advanced Java. And after that, I'm planning one more batch called Hibernate. But now it's not possible 10 to 15 days. After 10 to 15 days, but I'm planning for the like Hibernate batch also. So you will get it free of cost, not required to pay anything. Only on YouTube. Yeah, only on YouTube we will get it. The meeting ID I will not share with you guys. In our YouTube, you can go and watch, please. Why? Because this is the limited version. Zoom is the limited. Okay, that's why. Go and search iTrick Study Park on the YouTube channel. I want to show you one more time. This is the channel. I'm showing one more time. This is the channel. Oh, oh. यार ये बार अटक जाता है भाई. iTrick Study Park. This is the channel. This is the channel. This is the free batch advanced Java. It's going on, and this is the Java 8 version features. Also, I think up to the Sunday. Next Sunday we'll get all the Java 8 version features videos. Okay, I'm planning to upload the video. Don't worry. Yes, it's completed 100%, but it's set up. No, don't cancel. Up to the setup is file is not in the progress in the Oracle database installation in the progress. So don't dare to click the cancel button. Okay, the first installation will be completed. Done, then automatically it will come into this finish button. Okay. If you have any query, use my mail ID here. Ask me any question. Use my mail ID. What is the mail ID? Java by SDK. Today I will show you how to create an account also and how to install a JDK. Okay, all these things I have shown you. All these things I have shown you. Okay, this is the Eclipse ID. It's opening. How it's look like, I will show you also. Now in the progress, now it's also progressing. If you have any doubt, now if you have any query, please comment on the comment box. I will answer on the comment also. I will read. Okay, I read the comment on the YouTube. We will get more clarity. I will give you all these things. And also join our Telegram channel where you will get all the PDFs notes, daily class notes. Also, I will upload it one channel Java by iTrick Study Park like ITSP Technologies. There I will upload. I'm uploading all this. I'm uploading all this. I upload all these documents, and also I will announce all batches on the Telegram only. I think so. Okay, go and join. So success and success. Now not required. Success and success. If you do the cancel, then cancel. No issue. Okay, setting up the Oracle database details. If you want to show the details, then you can show. Want to cancel? Okay. Do you want to exit? Do you want to exit? No, I don't want to wait some more time for checking if any other possibilities are there. Coming to finish points. Okay. First, I want to check our Oracle is coming on the file. Oracle. Yeah, our Oracle is coming up. This one is inventory kind of thing. Okay. Now, Now, yeah, now it's coming on to the finish. Your database configuration have been installed on this app. This name Sabuddin Ansari while you are connecting. Okay, Oracle Viewer. Okay. Okay. Our file is installed. Oracle, yeah. Here is the Oracle unknown daemons client, unknown user, unknown host user. This much is file is there, but not this shall I record it. Okay, our database is all installed, not required. And next session we will meet for query tokenization, query processing, how to execute query inside the database. And also I will show you one more example. So thank you for watching. Please join our channel. Thank you. Okay. Also, I will show you. Also, I will show you one example on next video, next session. One example only, and then go theory. Then go with the theory. Thank you.